Hey everyone, it's Melissa. I actually just wanted to go over today's Peachy cheap planner deal. So it's actually these planner stickers. So I'm just going to go through and show them. So I'm going to be providing the links below, but you get all of these sheets. There's so many. So it is only valid today. They may sell out, so I would definitely act on it if you're interested. So many cute sheets. Right after I do this video, I'm actually going to be filming a plan with me. The first time I've ever done one in my monthly. I'm actually going to be starting a social media planner, and I'm going to use this in my monthly view. I've been thinking a lot about how I want to lay out my monthly, and I think I found a solution that really is going to work for me. So yes, you get all of these stickers. I'm pretty sure for $9.99. I'm going to provide the link below. The deal is live now, so make sure you take advantage of it if you're interested. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it.